Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you turn off your FPS counter on your MSI monitor. So here's a guide to disable your OSD, refresh rate or FPS display. To turn off your FPS counter on MSI monitor, follow the below steps. Step 1. Press the OSD or menu Navi button on your MSI monitor. Step 2. Go to Gaming Settings. Step 3. Find Refresh Rate, FPS Counter or Screen Assistance. The name may vary by model. Step 4. Set the FPS counter to off. Step 5. Exit the menu and save the changes. If the FPS counter won't turn off, you need to check whether the counter is coming from the software instead of the monitor. For that, you can go to MSI Afterburner, select Disable On-Screen Display. Then go to Steam, select Settings, and from there go to In-Game and select Turn Off FPS Counter. On Xbox Game Bar, you can disable the Performance widget. Go to NVIDIA app and then click on Disable Performance Overlay. On AMD software, Adrenaline Edition and then select Disable Metrics Overlay. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.